Today we're going to learn how to fill out product details using Make.com and AI. If you're a store owner and you've got to keep stock of inventory, then you know that filling out every detail of your product, like its make and model, can get tiring quickly, especially if you're doing this for multiple items. You're in luck, because today we're going to show you how to automate this entire process. The first thing we're going to do is add the Airtable module, and our action is going to be the Watch Records action. We're going to select our base and our table. We're also going to select our trigger field, our label field, and our view. Our next module is going to be the Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the extract data from URL action. For our URL, we're going to be using the attachment URL from our Airtable base. For our data schema, we're going to list the data we want to extract from our attachment URL. For our demonstration, we want to extract the model, output, and the plug type of our item. When listing the data we want to extract, it's very important to list the data type as well. We're extracting strings, but you can extract numbers or booleans as well. Our last module is going to be an Airtable module, and our action is going to be the Update a Record action. Now, like we did earlier, we'll pick our base and our table. But this time, for our record ID, we're going to map the ID from our previous Airtable module. Now, this is the point in our video where we should be mapping out the results from our Dumpling AI module, but we don't have any results to map. No results means our data schema hasn't taken form yet. So let's hop into our Airtable base and add an image, then we'll unlink our final Airtable module and run our scenario for our Dumpling AI results. Our scenario works, and now our Dumpling AI module has results we can map in Airtable. Let's relink our Airtable module and map out our Dumpling AI results in our record. Now that we're done, let's upload another image to our Airtable base and rerun our scenario. To recap, we're watching Airtable for new images, we're extracting data from the attachment URL, and we're updating our record in Airtable with our new data. Our scenario has been a success. And just like that, we've filled out our product's details using make.com and AI. The best part is we never had to do it manually. With this automation, you can save precious time filling out product details. Now, all you've got to do is take a picture, upload it to Airtable, and let AI and make.com do the rest. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.